Hi, I'm Morton Clemes. I'm Canadian by birth. Haven't had to do without very much all my life. 2009 I went to the Philippines. I saw a lot of hungry people. We always talk about a lot of starving people in the world. These people aren't starving, but they go to bed many times. The children go to bed acutely hungry. Don't have medicines that they have available here. The doctors aren't as readily able to help everybody. The hospitals sometimes get packed. They're limited in their resources. You say, why doesn't the government help? Well, the government tries to help. There's 105 million people in the Philippines. A lot of them don't have jobs. We are arguing about a $15 minimum wage. That's a fortune in the Philippines. Many people are working for $3 and $4 a day at minimum wage, if they can find a job. So I'm going to set up a suggestion. It's not an order. It's not a plea. It's not. I'm not asking you to give money, give to anybody, unless you want to. I'm going to plant an idea. One coffee at McDonald's, one McMuffin. You can give up both, or you can give up your McMuffin for one day in a month. Keep your coffee, because coffee's important to me also. I like my coffee in the morning, but I don't always need my McMuffin. Once a month. That would be astronomically fantastic. Go to our website, that more. Thank you for your time. Have a good day. Thanks for listening. Thanks for watching. We'll sign out right now.